Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Impossible Excel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Xlookup, Vlookup and match function. So basically, before we start this video, I would like to request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content on Microsoft Excel and like this video and share it with your friends. Moving on to sheet 10, we have two different columns which says new list and old list, and now we are given a task to match the data set, the new list and the old list. So the task is to check if the drugs present in a new list is already present in the old list or not. So what we can do, we can simply use match function and give lookup value and lookup array and match type. It will give us the same result. It will return the value 37, and we are obviously getting some NAs, so we can later correct it on. So it may be due to some error. Let us check for this particular drug of previous. In the old list it may be present or it may not be present, but here it is present with a different name. Just remove it and definitely we will get the same result. Now see, it's present already. So due to data differences, some may show you NA. We can definitely go for text to column and remove those gaps. All right, now see, everything is fine, but some of them are still NA, maybe due to the name differences. All right, after using the match function, we can have the same result by using the Vlookup function, which is Vlookup, lookup value. This is our lookup table array, and column index is 1 and range lookup is 0. Again, enter. It gives us the same result. Also, we can have another function which is called as Xlookup. So Xlookup does the same thing, equal to Xlookup. This is our lookup value. This is our lookup array, and our return array is this. Enter. Again, it gives us the same output. So we can use this function, that is match, Vlookup and Xlookup, to find out the values. That's all. Thank you.